with this delusional mad blood clot woman here. Get up every day. Oh, you lie down in a road. Everybody says, not do your thinking, Amari. Your wig them froze in a blood clot. You're the national wig. And when the blood clot, you do. Change wig. So, me say the woman get licked down in a black wig. When the ambulance comes, it's a red wig. So where the blood clot, where the wig you come from? Where them wig you come from? Where is these wigs coming? Me I said, no, sir. Could have never the blood clot wig have gone, sir. The woman have mastered disguise. When the woman reaching at the blood clot hospital, here comes the national white wig. Me say, no, sir, somebody take this. Me bumbo clot. So you made me tell me, say, Mari, you walk up and down with your wig them. All of your blood clot wig them. Black wig. Then the red one, then the white one. So we had to master disguise. You want the people in the society, you get licked up. Oh, we had to. I tree money, you want? I tree money, you want? Dirty Amari. Amari, go on with Bob. Please, me, I beg you, go on with Bob. You say, Bob, come for you, go on. Let me write your papers for you. Your letter of discharge. You can go with Bob. My condolences. You drunk, crow. Go on with Bob. We need a break from you and dirty stinking destiny. Destiny go take your pill them. Me say anytime you move off on the pill them, I saw the bumbo clot one. If first I month a come, I want pill them run out. If first I month a blood clot come, you don't go take on the medicine, man. Me say this bumbo clot woman. Amari, kill her out. You pussy hole. Clear out, man. Your blood clot hole. Me don't know how you look on the side of the road like one piece of crushed up paper. Like somebody crush up and dash your blood clot ground. Eh? Crosses hole, woman. Look, that's so me know your pussy are crosses, you know. Look at Destiny. A peer crosses come out of your hole. Destiny is a walking contradiction. Destiny is you. You can't know this is Amari when she did young. Amari Junior. You can't know, you know. So I see him so. Mash up my land. Nico. It's like say you're Bob Marley and that's a junior gang. Come here, you twin need for bumbo clot. Get a grip on a blood clot self. Hold on yourself together, man. Hold tighten yourself. Your bumbo clot skin look like you're melt. Look like what you put on porridge and it cool. And it top part does blood clot crackle. You come like a crackle porridge. Look like what you broke up blood clot. Bread in the porridge and near me. Saggy. You dirty bumbo wall sponge you. Wet sponge. Go and go find sitting to your bumbo clot. That is a pussy clot. Mix up and germs. While when nobody does see and thinking Destiny. Destiny got school, no man. You know what got school? You don't like your mama. You need to find one little college and come on. You favor Amari. You hack like Amari. You soon start DJ, you know too. Jesus Christ. Amari, stop lying. No, do you? Your mouth broad, no bumbo clot with your little brown teeth them. Paper bag mouth. And some you go start to call you. Boy, you're the blood clots, stretcher. People are put a neck break. What do you neck, Mari? No, you may see a live after that. And you just broke a one look insurance money. You can't wait to get look insurance money, boy. You're so you kidnap your teeth. Them why you not get nothing. Nothing do you man. You too blood clot lie. You and the rest of Jezebel them where you're par with. Because from what you two your other friend did go in the hospital, you want to go in the hospital to go get sympathy. Move your bum buckler with your TSE. We not no party figure your blood clot. We don't have to see. Pussy hole idiot, dirty woman. Yeah, your blood clot wig contest where you go with. Me say the woman change your wig them. Black wig. Then when the ambulance comes, it's a red wig. You say me bum buckler. Oh, where is where you come from? The only woman reaching the hospital the white week, the national week. You can't say the week no left, mama. No time. You look like AMARI rob bank you. Because there is no way nobody does not travel around with blood clot here like that. Try rob the government once more. Chronic law. Chronic law. Yeah, Jamaica look a God in some kind of way. As I tell you, no boy not above me, no boy no God for me, no boy no prince for me. Me no put no boy above God. A God alone me heights high, you see me? Let me tell you this fat boy. Because I realize that no found a Jamaica artist who no feel like say true girl pick me coming out no video them, who no control them in a some type of way, who no can touch them in a any kind of way, who no can read. Let me tell you this, Chronicler, every girl loose and want to fuck you, my general. First of all, you're not attractive, you're big and so on a bumbo clad. The girl, they want to make you feel like how you feel, and then you have to go play with them with it. Some girl literally come in your video just to be one vixen. They no come there for fuck you. They no come there for you rub down them pussy. They no come down there for you touch them in a no kind of inappropriate way. You have girl who come in your video, we have them man. We no want you touch them labas. You feel me? You see what they are going to go club labas. We don't know about Jamaica, but this is America. We can tell you about America. You see when you're going to go club in America labas, no matter how you see one girl wind up and entertain, you cannot touch her. You understand me? Not because you pay your money if you come in there, and not because she a one stripper, mean you can touch her. There are things that you can do to women. We are loose woman, and so woman you just can't do it too. If a woman dead I do a business for you in your video, she never come there for fuck you. She never come there for fuck you producer and none of that. She never come there for you feel up her front. She never come there for you touch her in any kind of way. You see me? She come there for be with sexual prerogativeness in your video. You understand me? She never come there for you rub down none of her parts them. You see me? So for you think say you can disrespect a woman like that already. You didn't know say in the go-go club, a go-go can touch you, but you cannot touch a go-go. You in there want the entertainment and you call her over for even a lap dance, she can touch you, but you cannot touch her. Who not two touches, man? Jamaica artists who never understand this, and I have a blood clot girl a group if you know. I mean, I know who the fuck would I be group if you blood clot labas. Labas because sour like. Let me tell you this, not because when I feel like say when an artist, and every girl find on attractive, somehow you know look good to some girl. Somehow you know some girl who no fuck on all even know they don't care if you have money. Labas is not an attractive young man. You're big and you're sour, you never look good yet. Me can tell you, as a boy, girl, remember when I look me, I look you. Labas, you always look untidy. Me don't know why you feel like say every girl would want you. Me don't know why you think say no girl at all want you. You see me? You favor the gorilla will come in a King Kong. You not attractive none at all, sir. You're not attractive none at all, sir. No fucking tall. Boop, boop. Me can tell you that straight. Every girl want give you a little pussy now, I must for your hype. Because you is not an attractive young man. You don't look good. You probably smell good. But your looks, sir, your blood clot. Okay, you ever look for yourself yet? Go get braces, you teach them too much space in them. Say, yes, you look like a real gorilla for true. You see me? And let me tell you this. 90% of the women them in the world, labas do not find you attractive. In America, the other time you don't get some pussy in a fat season. When the girl want one fat man to come lie down side of them. And every girl you can touch up labas and every girl a groupie like the one that when you see one come fuck you. You know what them nigga you there? You have to respect woman, my boy. Girl come in your video, you can dance and then sit there, no for you touch them. A fuck you boy. You no own no blood clot girl and you too big and ugly for blood clot things that woman for you go answer for you. Nigga you think you're a husher? You're more King Kong. Which woman you see want to fuck King Kong? None. King Kong big, ugly and rusty. The only weird some money, and your money alone, you make girl give your pussy. Jamaica girl and licky. So then fuck all the ugliest man for money. Stop go like say you have some kind of catch nigga, cause you're not even the court. You hear that you're too big and ugly with your Kermit looking bumbo clad self, you see me? Understand your blood clad self and know your status. You understand me? You're fucking big, fat and ugly, big and rusty. Nobody now use you. You have good music, you're attractive, you have like a Denzel Washington, move your blood clot. I think every girl want one big fat ugly blood clot man for you rub them dog. They don't give a fuck woman boop you sing God in your life. Go ahead, you're big and sour like. And then go look for your low life, girl them want fuck you. Them they are low life. Them the girl they want fuck you, low life. Yeah, you're mad. If God did give me pussy, I'm one of them bad bitch jobbers, you could have never smell for me drawers. You mad? You're too big and ugly, man. Me liable for breed by sitting like you. You know, you're mad. Me know me pit need a ugly. You're fucking crazy, man. All we know want pretty pitney, man. That was move your big fat ugly blood clot and go for yourself. A girl should have pit for your bumbo clot. Because you're chewing them bad still boop. And that I'm gonna red boy on your music, cause you're too big and sour go like your blood clot. Somebody go ahead. Your blood clot. As I tell you, I'm not praise none of as artists, as I no fuck up and I get it. Blow. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I mean yeah, the other little forgot one of the therapy subliminally at this. Me therapy me did semi-rate you. Did. But after watching you for all of them the years, I'm not rate you again because you're informer and police, me not like police you. Police lock me up a foreign already, big pussy therapy, so I'm not too like on it. You see, me not like no police at all. Whether Jamaica police, foreign police, me not like no police. So yes, big old therapy. When me realize and listen say you're a system vlogger and I system say you're a police, me not rate your body boy. How me gonna rate people lock me up? Brother, the way you talk alone, everybody knows say you are one blood clot idiot police boy or one soldier. So yeah, dog, I want to your big pussy boy. You say you're so brave and you're rare, you can't show up yourself because you're a little YouTuber. Bumbo clot idiot boy. Stop it, man. So sitting around and not know about people are gonna talk. Every day you get up and you pick up your informer them for your life. We used to tell the people and find your informer them and start broke up them bumbuckler. To go and go listen to them. All of them people want to hear him pick up on the podcast and them are the informer them want to bring on a name them to the same big idiot waste police batty boy. Go and go suck your mother system boy. Big pussy boy. Until you get this. Batty boy. They rate no police, my boy. The only police that will rate are the one that want to help kill you. Go ahead. Batty boy. Diddy! Please go fuck therapy if you know.